Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We've got a quick one for you. This is simply the simplest simple syrup. Yeah, 5 times fast. This is simply the simplest simple syrup recipe that I can give you. I saw this little trick on one of the cooking shows of all places. All you need is 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar. If you don't have a measuring container, well, just find 2 rocks glasses that are equal size. That always works. All you need next is a microwavable bowl. I'm sure you got a takeout container or something that's big enough. Just put your sugar in, put your water in, put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes or until the water's hot. Take it out, give it a couple stirs till everything's dissolved. Let it sit out for a few minutes and cool off. Then pour it into a container. And voila, there's your simple syrup. And honestly, this is one of the store-bought simple syrup containers. They make it a glass, just keep reusing it, and it's perfect size for it. Until then, y'all know what to do. Cheers.